What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Nice back once again. So today we're going to remove the engine, which is the 305 out of the 72 truck project. Me and my brother are going to do that, and we're going to take you through the process. Then we're going to prep the cab for with bracing so we can try to remove it, and then we'll go from there. But while we get ready to remove this engine, y'all go ahead and watch this intro.
Brought to you by DT. Especially at night, try Vicks Sinex for instant relief that lasts up to 12 hours. Vicks Sinex targets congestion at the source, relieving nasal congestion.
About to say goodbye to the 305 and hello to the LS.
Try Vicks Sinex.
Bigger hammer. Always bigger hammer. There we go. And that's how you.
So you're not just living, you're living well. Kisqali can cause lung problems. It can cause serious skin reactions, liver problems, and low white blood cell counts that may result in severe infections. Want great treatment? Tell your doctor right away if you have any worsening symptoms, including breathing problems, cough, chest pain, a change in your heartbeat, dizziness, yellow of the skin or eyes.
Make sure you cut all your wires and check all your connectors. And just like that, she's out. LS. That's how you do it. Forget all those people who talk about LS swapping. No, everybody LS swapping. Yeah, we do it because it's easy. Careful. I need to push that closer. It's gonna fall over if we don't. You gotta push that back. It's gonna have to come over. Oh yeah, it's not gonna pass the tire. Nope.
That's as far as it goes out?
Yeah.
Well, we're going out more, but we only got a quarter of a ton, and I know that
Uh,
was only 500.
Charlene, can you move the truck up some? Just move it outside the fence right now. And we'll put it on the front end. The 305 out is sitting on the trailer. So now we just got to get it covered up just in case we have some inclement weather and see if we can sell this thing. I don't know if anybody wants it, but if not, then it'll be going to the junkyard. Minus my plate that I bought because we took the carburetor off, so. Remember, safety first, always. Safety first. 3 inches.
Do that on top then.
There's your girl. You need more?
I need that to come further this way.
Oh, that's it. So if you stand up, I'll move the truck further this way.
Probably gonna need a little bit more heat.
What do you want to turn it up to? 16.
That was 17.
How's that?
Wanted to get back into the couple's hotel. Then this happened.
Too dark.
How we looking?
It'll stay together.